पापा कहते थे बेटा नाम करेगा, बड़ा हो के तू मुझे बदनाम करेगा, गुड फॉर नथिंग 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 बोल जमाना. Hi, welcome to Guidelines for Human Survival in this age. Take a deep breath, feel that. We are officially living in an age where your toaster might soon have a stronger opinion on your breakfast choices. Good morning, I am Vidushi. Have you heard the iconic dialogue from the movie Lagan? Dugna lagan dena padega. Today it's not about paying double taxes, it's about learning double skills. If you thought you could slide through your life just by knowing how to make a decent Excel sheet, then my reaction would be like Amitabh Bachchan in the movie Mohabbatein. परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन और थोड़ा सा लॉजिक और. So let's know the skills that we need in the age of AI. Critical thinking. AI can give answers, but it cannot decide if they are correct for your situation. If you are using AI next time, don't just reply wow. Ask is this correct or confidently wrong like my friends in exams. Because the smartest person in the world is not the one who knows everything, but the one who questions everything. Creativity. AI can generate ideas, but most of them are what already we have. Humans, we generate something new, sometimes strange, sometimes brilliant, or sometimes funny. AI can't still figure out how to tell an Indian mom that I am not feeling hungry. That's creativity, because in the future, ordinary thinking will be replaced, but original thinking will be rewarded. Communication. AI can make perfect sentences, but it does not have your voice, your way of explaining, and your way of connection. Even right now, the speech is not full of difficult words, but you still understand it. That's communication. And in the future, people who will express their idea clearly will always stand out. Emotional intelligence, EQ. AI cannot feel and understand what it is to fail in an exam or the feeling of happiness when a teacher says, well done. We do, that's powerful. Being kind, aware, and emotionally strong are not soft skills anymore. They are a core one now. Adaptability. Today is other tool, tomorrow is another. If we keep saying, I don't like this change, then we will be left behind. We need to say, I'll try this. Not always, but whenever it's needed. Because in the future, people who adapt fast, they grow fast. Learning how to learn. This might be one of the most important. Don't focus on what you learn. Focus on how you learn. Be curious, ask questions, and explore beyond books. Say, I don't know this yet. This one word yet can change your mindset completely. Now here's something to wonder. AI is not our enemy. Just like a calculator didn't destroy math, it changed the way of using it. The future does not belong to machines. It belongs to the person who know how to use machines without losing their creativity, identity, and understanding. So instead of competing with AI, try to become the kind of person AI cannot replace. Thank you. And at last, टेंशन लेने का नहीं, टेंशन देने का.